In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in Mailerlite. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and open the dashboard. Once you're inside, head over to the left-hand menu and click on Campaigns. This is where you'll create and manage the emails you want to send. From there, click Create or Create Campaign to begin setting up a new email. Next, choose your campaign type. For most standard emails, newsletters, or announcements, you'll want to select Regular Campaign. After that, you can either start from scratch or pick a template. If you already know the style you want, a template can save time, but starting from scratch gives you full control over the layout. Now it's time to choose your editor. Mailerlite gives you a few options, including the drag and drop editor, the simple editor, and the custom HTML editor. If you're new to the platform, the drag and drop editor is usually the easiest choice because it lets you build your email visually without needing technical skills. Once the editor opens, design your email by adding the content you need, such as text, images, buttons, and links. Take your time here and make sure everything looks clean and easy to read. When you're happy with the design, click Done Editing. After that, enter your campaign details. Add a campaign name so you can identify it later inside Mailerlite. Then write your subject line, choose your sender name and sender email, and add a preheader if you want one. The preheader is the short preview text many inboxes show after the subject line, so it can help improve opens. The next step is to select your recipients. Click Select Recipients, then choose the groups or segments that should receive the email. If needed, you can also exclude certain groups or segments, which is helpful if you want to avoid sending the message to specific contacts. Before sending anything, review the email carefully, preview it, and check both the desktop and mobile versions to make sure it looks good on different devices. Also confirm that your subject line, sender details, links, images, and content are all correct. It's also a good idea to send a test email. Click Send a Test and send a copy to yourself or a teammate so you can check how it appears in a real inbox before it goes out to subscribers. When everything looks right, click Send or Schedule. You can choose Send Now to send immediately, Send Later to schedule a date and time, Deliver based on time zones to send according to each subscriber's local time, or Smart Sending if that option is available on your plan. Finally, do one last review, then click Send Now or Schedule. If you schedule the campaign, it will appear in the outbox until it's sent. After delivery, open the campaign from the Sent folder and review the report to see how your subscribers interacted with the email.